Hello, আমি last ভিডিওত cos graph study কৰিছিলো আজি আমি tan graph study কৰিম so tan function our domain is the set of real numbers and our codomain is also the set of real numbers tan x আমি জানো sin x divided by cos x হয় so এতিয়া আমি sin x sin 0 degree sai long ki hoy sin 0 degree 0 similarly cos 0 degree is 1 therefore tomar tan 0 degree hobo 0 divided by 1 0 divided by 1 is 0 next tomar sin 90 degree sin pi by 2 or sin 90 degree is 1 cos 90 degree or cos pi by 2 is 0 therefore tan 90 degree will be sin 90 degree divided by cos 90 degree there which we will have what 1 divided by 0 is what undefined is infinity so similarly tomar sin pi by 4 tomar 1 by root 2 hoy cos pi by 4 or 45 degree is your 1 by root 2 therefore tan pi by 4 cos 45 degree divided by sin 45 degree divided by cos 45 degree tomar 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 cancel jabo thakiboga tomar 1 okay next we will continue so first ami at ki korisu we are drawing our x axis say this is our x axis and this is our y axis say this is our origin this is our point origin this is our pi by 2 this is our pi and this is our 3 pi by 2 and say this is our 2 pi negative x axis this is our minus pi by 2 this is our minus pi and we are considering this is our minus 3 pi by 2 and this is our minus 2 pi similarly we have the here it is our minus 5 by 2 here also we'll have plus 5 by 2 okay it will go on positive values will go on to your positive x axis and your negative values will travel to your negative x axis ठीक আছে এতিয়া আমি কি কৈছো say this is your 1 and say this is your minus 1 ঠিক আছে and say this is your pi by 4 say this is your pi by 4 and say this is your minus pi by 4 this is your minus pi by 4 and say this is your plus pi by 4 now according to the values what you have got sin 0 degree cos 0 degree equal to 1 therefore tan 0 is 0 0 by 1 equal to 0 so tan 0 will be what tan 0 degree will be 0 we will be at this position next sin pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2 cos pi by 4 1 by root therefore tan pi by 4 equal to 1 so tan pi by 4 when we will reach x equal to pi by 4 when we will have x equal to pi by 4 x equal to pi by 4 then our tan pi by 4 y equal to this means what y equal to 10x so yet tomar jeta x value pi by 4 hobo tomar y equal to 10 pi by 4 is 1 10 pi by 4 is your 1 we will reach here ठीक है next when we will reach to when x will reach to pi by 2 when x we will travel along our right hand side x will travel along right hand side x reach to pi by 2 x tomar pi by 2 hole tomar ki hobo infinity tamne tomar infinity le go ase it means when we will join okay let now study about analyze about sin minus pi by 4 sin tomar minus pi by 4 jodi consider kora tomar yat plus e hok ba minus e hok sin minus pi by 4 hole tomar sin minus pi by 4 hole tomar 1 by root 2 nama minus 1 by root 2 hobo minus 1 by root 2 hobo and cos minus pi by 4 hole cos minus pi by 4 hole tomar hobo yat plus 1 by root 2 so 10 minus pi by 4 10 minus pi by 4 hole tomar minus 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 your minus 1 so when you will have 10 when you will have 10 plus pi by 4 your value is plus 1 when you will have 10 minus pi by 4 then your value will be what minus 1 so when you are reaching to your negative x axis when your x is minus pi by 4 then your value is what minus 1 then your value is minus 1 ঠিক আছে so আমি points খিনি plot কৰি দিছো ইয়াত তোমাৰ 10 minus pi by 4 তোমাৰ value কিমান আহে 10 minus pi by 4 you have minus 1 this is your minus 1, 10 minus 1. And when your 10 minus pi by 2, sine minus pi by 2 is minus 1, cos minus pi by 2 is 0, then 10 minus pi by 2 minus 1 by 0 will have minus infinity. So when your x will x value of x will approach to, will move towards minus pi by 2, will move towards minus pi by 2, corresponding value of 10 minus pi by 2 will move toward infinity, will move to infinity. That means how we can draw the graph? Our graph will be in this way. That means your graph will be this way. At pi by 4 your value will be at 1, and when x tends to pi 90 degree, then your corresponding 10 pi by 2 will go to infinity. As it goes to infinity, it goes parallel to your this line, parallel to the straight line perpendicular to y-axis, parallel to the straight line perpendicular to y-axis, and passing through the point pi by 2. Similarly, at x equal to minus pi by 2, tomar 10 minus pi by 2 about minus 1, so a point yalakaise. Aru when x approaches to minus pi by 2, your 10 of minus pi by 2 will be what? Minus infinity, so it will go parallel. It will go parallel to the line, that passes through the point minus pi by 2 and parallel to y-axis. Okay, you know parallel lines do not meet. Parallel lines do not mean, that means they travel to infinity. Parallel lines do not meet, that means they travel to infinity. Since this 10x graph, this is your 10x graph, travels to infinity, so how we can show it graphically? That means it travels to infinity. Similarly here also it travels to minus infinity, so we are showing that it travels to it is parallel to this y-axis, which is minus infinity. This curve is parallel to y-axis, which is minus infinity. Clear? Next ami study koru sine of pi. Sin pi tomar 0 hoy, cos pi minus 1 hoy. So 10 pi about my 0 to 0 divided by minus 1, 0. So here tomar value ki hobo? 0. Similarly tomar sin 3 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2 is plus 1, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Therefore 10 plus 3 pi by 2 is sin 3 pi by 2 divided by cos 3 pi by 2. That means 1 divided by 0 is your plus infinity. Similarly minus 3 pi by 2 hole tomar minus 1 hobo, cos 3 pi by 2 tomar 0 hobo. ঠিক আছে, তার পিছত এটা হলো তোমালোকৰ 10 minus 3 pi by 2 tomar minus 3 pi by 2 tomar minus 1 by 0 hobo. Minus 1 by 0 means minus infinity. So yat tomar keneke jabo tomar minus infinity lage jabo. ঠিক আছে, similarly tomar sin pi chwa, sin pi 10 pi ki hobo tomar 10 pi tomar 0 hoise, aru tomar pi aru 3 pi bar majot tomar ase point. Between here you have 5 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. ঠিক আছে, so tomar 5 pi by 4 tomar 1 hobo. 5 pi by 4 tomar value will be your 1. 10 pi by 5 pi by 4, 10 of 5 pi by 4 is your 1, and here pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 4, here is your what? 3 pi by 4. 10 of 3 pi by 4 is your minus 1. 10 of 3 pi by 4 is your minus 1. So tomar yet value to ki hobo? Tomar minus 1 hobo. So it will come this way. That means tomar ko repeat kori disu. 10 of pi is 0. This is your 3 pi by 4. This is your 3 pi by 4. 10 of 3 pi by 4 is your minus 1. 10 of pi, 10 pi value is your 0. 10 of 5 pi by 4 is plus 1. 10 when x goes to 3 pi by 2, x travels to 3 pi by 2, your 10 of 3 pi by 2 goes to infinity. ঠিক আছে, similarly when x travels to your plus pi by 2, your 10 pi by 2 goes to infinity. Clear hol? ঠিক তেনেদৰে ইয়াত তোমাৰ নেগেটিভ এক্স এক্সিছত চেক কৰিলে তোমাৰ 10 of minus pi 0 হ'ব. 10 of minus 3 pi by 2 here. 10 of minus 3 pi by 4. Minus 3 pi by 4 is your plus 1. 10 of minus 5 pi by 4. Minus 5 pi by 4 is your minus 1. So yeah, about my point 2. So tomorrow your graph will go in this way. So this is your 10 graph. I explain kori disu tomorrow. Similarly, you can continue koribo tomorrow. Yet continue koribo yet tomorrow habo minus 5 pi by 2. Yet tomorrow plus 5 pi by 2. It continue. 10 minus pi. 10 of minus pi is 0. 10 of minus pi is 0. 10 of minus 2 pi is also 0. So tomorrow 10 minus 3 pi by 2. 10 minus 3 pi by 4 is your plus 1. 10 5 pi by 4 is your minus 1. So tomorrow here 10 minus 3 pi by 4 is your plus 1. 10 minus 5 pi by 4. 10 minus 5 pi by 4 is your minus 1. And this is your what? Minus 3 pi by 2. This point minus 3 pi by 2. At minus 3 pi by 2 tomorrow 10 ki hoba infinity. And at pi, at minus pi by 2 it your this minus pi by 2 your 10 is what? Infinity. So it will be your 10 graph. So you have to remember your sine graph, cos graph and your 10 graph. Thank you.